Afternoon, everyone. I am Angad Kumar Pandey from MCA first sem. First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Neeraj sir for giving me opportunity to present a short presentation on the topic GIS. So GIS stands for Geographic Information System Database. What is GIS database? A GIS Geographical Information System Database is a database used to store geographical data. It manages spatial data, analyzes spatial data, and display data on maps. There are the three components of GIS data. First one is location, where something is situated on Earth using coordinates like latitude and longitude. Next one is the shape. It means the geometric representation of geographical features as point, lines, or polygons. Next one is the attributes. It descriptive information about the object including name, type, population, and ownership details. Next one is the what does a GIS database store? So it store first point. In point, it represent an exact location with specific coordinates used for wells, ATM, cities, and landmarks. Next one is the line. It represent path or routes connecting multiple points used for road, rivers, pipelines, and transportation network. And next one is the polygon, which represent enclosed area or boundaries used for state lakes and plots and building footprints. Next one is the GIS database table. In here, if we store city, we use the geometrical format point, and if we store a river, we use line string, and if we use a state information store, then we use polygon. Next one is the key features of GIS database. So first key features is spatial plus non-spatial data integration, in which it store both geographical and information and traditional database fields, name, numbers, database in a unified system. Next features is native spatial database data types. It support specialized data types including points, line, and polygon for accurate geographical representation and storage. Next one is spatial query support. It enables queries based on geographical relationship such as distance calculation, areas measurement, and proximity analysis. And next one is the spatial indexing, which uses efficient indexing structures like R-tree and quad tree to accelerate spatial queries and improve performance. And next features is map visualization, which directly renders spatial data on maps with layered display, symbology, and interactive exploration. Next one is the real world application. It uses in navigation system, land records, distance management, urban planning, weather forecasting, and agriculture. Next is the difference between the spatial database and GIS database. In a spatial database, it uses the core database engine, and in GIS, it builds on a spatial database. Next one is the it stores spatial data efficiently, and in GIS, it advanced analysis tools. In a spatial database, it support spatial queries, and in GIS, it support the map visualization interface. Next one is the it provides indexing as a structure and GIS spatial operation. Next one is the it manage geometrical types and GIS manage geographical processing. So we can say that the GIS database is equals to a spatial database plus map interface plus analyzing tools. Thank you.